y square minus 8x minus x plus 19 is equals to 0. If this equation, before that we are finding only equation for y square equals to 16x or x square minus 16y. But if what we will do if the equation is given in this form, okay, equation of the parabola. So let's solve this type of equation. So first we will make the perfect square of this equation. Do you know how we can make the perfect square of any equation if it is given in this form? 8y, this is not 8x, this is 8y. 8y minus x plus 19 is equals to. Do you know how we can get the perfect square of any equation? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay. So y square minus 8y and minus x plus 19 is equals to 0. So this equation is given and we have to convert this equation in the standard form of the parabola. What is the standard forms of the parabola? Can you tell me?
XP is equal to
Y square equals to 4ax, x square is equals to 4ay, y square is equals to minus 4ax. We have already done question based on standard form of the equation of the parabola. Did you remember?
is equal to 1.
So what will you do? So you will just need to make the perfect square. Y square is given, so you can make this equation in this form. Y square is equals to 4ax. So coefficient of y is 8 given. So what we will do, half of coefficient of the y means coefficient of y is 8. We will do the half of coefficient of y, which is equals to 4, and square of this square is 16. Then plus 16 and minus 16 we will add and subtract from this equation. So minus 8y minus x plus 19 plus 16 and minus 16 is equals to 0. Okay. So y square minus 8y plus 16 minus x plus 19 minus 16 is plus 3 is equals to 0. So this is the whole square of y minus 4 whole square. Now you get the perfect square of this equation, yes or no?
Yes.
So you can, if you have any confusion why we are writing in place of y square 8y plus 16 y minus 4x square, so you can evaluate this y square plus 16 minus 8y. So you got the same equation like that. So that's why I'm writing here y minus 4x square in place of this. Okay. So let's move ahead. Y minus 4x square is equals to, you plus minus sign will become positive and plus 3 will become negative. So you got the equation y minus 4x square x plus 3. No, x minus 3. Okay. Now you can compare this equation easily with y square is equals to 4ax. Yes or no?
Yes.
So capital Y is equals to capital Y is equals to and 4a is equals to and capital S is equals to. By comparing these two equations, you will get capital Y is equals to y minus 4. 4a is not available, so we can consider as 1, okay, into 1. So 4 is equals to 1 and x is equals to x minus 3. Okay. Now you can easily find the vertex of the vertex coordinate and focus for this parabola. And how we can draw this parabola? Let's see. This is the y-axis. Okay. And this is the x-axis. This is the origin. And 3 comma, because minus 4 and minus 3 is given. So when we have to find the vertex of any equation in the form y minus 4 whole square x minus 3, so you can see these two numbers which are subtracting and adding from the variables x and y and take the opposite side, means 3 positive and 4 positive. Here 3 is negative, that's why we are taking 3 positive. Here 4 negative, that's why we are taking 4 positive. So 3 comma, at the 3 comma 4 you will find your new parabola. So 1 2 3, 3 is here, 1 2 3 4. This is x and this is y. Okay. Or you can also write x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 3 and y minus 4 is equals to 0, y is equals to 4. So you are finding two new vertex because vertex is given x is equals to 0 and y. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, comma 4 will be here and you can draw this parabola like that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Can you go to the previous slide so I can note down that one? What's the next page?
That's why x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0.
Okay, what's the next page? No, muted.
Yes. So we know that the vertex for every parabola is 0, comma 0. That's why x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. And capital X value is x minus 3 is equals to 0. Capital Y is y minus 4 is equals to 0. You are finding same uh, vertex 3, comma 0. That's why at the 3, comma 0 you are making new parabola. Okay. This line is x equals to 3 and this line is y is equals to 4. Okay. Now you got it?
Yeah.
So you just find the vertex of this parabola. Now you will find the second part is axis. Yes. So axis will be for x square is equals to 4ay. Sorry, y square is equals to 4ax. Capital Y is equals to 4ax. Y axis will be x is equals to x minus 3 and y is equals to y minus 4. So you can write to find the axis, x is equals to 3 plus x and y is equals to capital Y plus 4. So these are the axes for this. Now you will find the directrix equation. These are the axes, directrix equation. What is the directrix equation? What will be the directrix equation for y square is equals to 4ax? X equals to minus a. Am I right?
Yeah.
Or you can also say that capital X equals to minus a. Then x is equals to minus a. You can write x minus 3 is equals to, what is the value of the a? Because 4a is equals to 1, then a will be 1 by 4. Okay. Coordinate of the 4 equals to 1 by 4 plus 3. Take the LCM. X equals to 13 by 4. So you can say that the coordinate of the focus will be 13 by 4, comma, and y is equals to 0. Then y minus 4 is equals to 0. Y is equals to 4. So 13 by 4, comma 4 will be coordinate of the